Now in the last part of this exercise, we're going to check whether our answers are correct. How do we do that? Well, you'll see that we have three groups of statistics. First, we have the number of bookings, total room nights, and total room revenue for each hotel. And then we have two sections here where we break down the statistics by room type. This section is for standard room. This section is for deluxe rooms. Since we only have two choices, standard room or deluxe room type, then one way to check if our answers is correct is to check whether the number for standard and deluxe equal the total for that hotel. So that's what we're going to do. And we're going to use the if function. So down here, I'll do the first one. We want to check if the number of bookings for Royal Pacific Hotel and Towers is correct. So I'm going to type my if function. If the total number of bookings, which is in B6, is equal to the bookings for standard, which is in B16, plus the bookings for deluxe room type, which is in B26. If they're equal, then my if function will return the value correct. If they're not equal, it will return the value wrong. I press enter, and you'll see that it gives me the answer correct because B6 is equal to B16 plus B26. And since I'm using relative referencing and they're going to adjust when I copy them to other locations, I can simply copy this if function to the rest of the cells all the way down to the totals. Okay, and you'll see that the cell references have adjusted correctly according to the location where they've been copied. So you'll see that all my answers are correct.